Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, July 6th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. So first trade, just going left to right here, not in any particular order. We had a long in gold. Told everybody that there was a ZL in the way. 74.5. The thing I said, start taking 6 to 8 ticks on there, and it may go further, it may not, because we have a ZL. So if you want to try for a break even, try for a break even. Otherwise, take it all off at 7 or 8. So some people made up to 8 ticks on that. Some people could have had a break even if they tried to hold a risk-free runner. Then we had a short on gold, 10.15. 1379, and we had a ZL come in right around there. I told everybody there's going to be a ZL somewhere between the 68.9 and 67.9 area. That's exactly what happened. They kind of brought it up there, and then they bought it up. They did end up taking it down to the bottom of the circle, which was the second target. So those who stayed in would have made certainly more, those with larger size contracts. So a couple contract traders, from 79, it made up to 30 there on the first go around, and then up to 40 to 50. 40 on the second go around. Nice trade. We also had some people press it here and do an add-on. I actually called it as a new entry, but then when it was bouncing around here, I said get out at entry if it was a new entry, for a break even. But those who were in from an average that got in up here, they would have never been taken out, and they would have made more money there. So that was a nice trade. In crude, we missed a couple. There was a beautiful short here I just missed because we were in another trade. And there was another long in crude here that I think, again, we were in. I think we might have been in the gold. But we did take a long in CL at 1042, 46.62, and that one went up. It went up about 20 pennies, 15 to 17 pennies before the room closed. I was under the assumption everybody was flat at that point, so I just kind of, told everybody, all right, let's just, I'll leave the charts up for a while, see what happens. A couple people came on and said that they were still in once the thing started going up here, so I helped them manage. We got out here, just called it a day. This can go higher, but at this time it's lunch and everything like that. Don't want to press it too much. So, and you would have had to have a decent amount of contracts to stand that long. So most people probably got their first batch off at 7 or 8, and then the second one off at 15 to 17, which was a nice trade. Anybody who had a runner after that would have been able to get up to here, or they just took everything off there. That was a nice trade. And then on the ES, we took a long. Specifically, I was looking for a point to a point and a half. That's exactly what it did for 475 long. I told everybody it's probably going to have a problem getting higher there, but if we want a little scalp, that one made a point. Then when it came down and came again, I said same trade, but this time we're going to try to see if it can go through the 76s, 76 quarters, and get up a little bit higher. So that one did actually make it up. That was about a 3+ point trade there in the ES. And then we shorted here on a power play, and that one made up to 2 points from 68.50. Actually made 2.5 points, but we'll just call it 2 because we look for 2 here in the ES as kind of a second area. 2 points. So 2 points there, 3+ there, a point there. Again, for most up to 16, 17 pennies there. 30 to 40 on gold ticks to the downside, and then this was either a 6 or 7 tick or a break even. But again, we did manage that a little tighter because we knew that there could be, we knew that this could potentially happen. So good day today, guys. 1, 2. This was an add-on, so it's the same trade, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and we're going to come back and do it all again tomorrow. And until then, guys, have a wonderful day.